My name's Alex Roberts, head greenkeeper at Morley Hayes. Here at Morley Hayes, we are quite heavily tree lined down each hole, so when making our purchase in a new rough cutter, we needed to ensure that maneuverability around trees, it was able to loop round them. We are finding that the Trimax is covering all bases. It's very easy to manoeuvre in and out of the tree lines. The Trimax S3 is primarily used for cutting the rough here at Morley Hayes. We are looking at cutting fairways with it as well during the wetter months. The Trimax S3 is out in operation 8.5 hours a day, roughly cutting 200 acre size of rough. So in terms of features with the Trimax Snake S3, we was looking at ways of saving man hours, in particularly greasing points. With previous machines and attachments we were using, we were finding that a lot of the time we were spent greasing up, adjusting belts, whereas now with the Trimax S3, we're finding that a lot of time is being saved. There's minimal maintenance. Also, quality of cut was a big element in the purchase. For us, having a rotary that follows contours and disperses grass clippings was a key aspect of the purchase. Further benefits we've seen is the course presentation. So the quality of cut is presenting Morley Hayes the best I have ever seen in the 4 years I've worked here. We're also getting a lot of members and visitors coming over and asking about the machine, and they're seeing the benefits on the course with the quality of cuts and playability. We have noticed since purchasing the Snake S3 is the time saving. We have narrowed it down to 40 minutes a week, which is solely greasing the PTO shaft and the rams. Apart from that, the machine is pretty much self-sufficient. The rollers are sealed, drive belt is self-tensioning. We have had no downtime whatsoever. There is minimal maintenance on the Snake S3. Purchasing the MultiLift System has been nothing short of a godsend for us. A lot of our golf course has pathways, bunkers close to greens, and having the option of being able to lift a unit to be able to fit within a gap or a narrow area has really helped, specifically in the tree lines where you've got trees within close proximity of each other. We used to have to use such as a zero turn to be able to get in those tight areas, whereas now we've got a 3.2 metre machine that we can lift the arms up and narrow that down to a metre. So we purchased the Nexa Blades solely due to the quality of cut. We're now using them in the height of this growing season, and the quality of cut is just second to none. We will be switching to the LazerBlades come autumn time when it comes to leaf mulching, and then we'll preserve the Nexa Blades for the following growing season. The grass clipping dispersal on the Nexa Blades is absolutely fantastic. We're having no debris on site at all, even in wet conditions. We've also purchased the mulching kit for the Snake S3. Prior to this, we had no form of collecting leaves. After watching the promotional video for the Snake S3, it was shown to disperse and break up leaves, even in compact piles. So we really wanted to test this out and get the attachments for our new Snake. We're yet to try it, but with the dispersal of clippings, I'm very optimistic that this is going to really benefit us during the autumn and winter months. The customer care from Trimax has been second to none. I'm receiving a bit of a courtesy call just to make sure that we're happy, we're satisfied with the Trimax, and if there's anything more that Trimax can do for us. I would thoroughly recommend the Snake S3 to other golf courses. For us, it's been an absolute game changer. The staff are really enjoying going out with the machine, having the maneuverability through the trees, being able to use the multi-lift function, have that bit extra time on the course without having to get out and do further maintenance. It really is a field changer for golf, football, whichever sports turf you're working in. I would highly recommend getting a demonstration and looking into investing.